Alright, so today we are doing day 2 of converting. So I'm just going to jump straight into these problems since this is what we did yesterday as well. So on the first ones, we are rewriting them in radical form. So remember, anything to the 1/2 power is the square root of that thing. And so let's see if we can simplify 28. So it's going to be 14 times 2, which is 7 times 2, so this should be 2 squared times 7. And then since we have a square on that 2, the 2 can come out. And then so we have 2 square root 7 as our final answer. On number 2, remember the bottom number goes inside, then underneath the radical and its power. The power is greater than the index, so we can take out a 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1, so we would have 1, 2 remaining. Number 3, the same thing. The bottom number is my index, and then x to the 5th power. 5 is greater than 4, so we can take out a group of x's. 5 minus 4 is 1, so we would have an x remaining inside underneath that radical. The next one, we got the 4th root of 256x. So we're going to find the prime factors for 256. We got 2 to the 8th. And we can divide 8 by 4, which means we would be taking out 2. Oops, I forgot the x in there. So we've got 2 squared on the outside, 4 root x, which we can rewrite as 4 4th root of x. Number 5, we're taking mn to the power of 7. So it's the same thing as saying both m and n are to the power of 7, which we can simplify since 7 is greater than 2. So the closest we can get is 6, which would be 3. And we would have 1 remaining of each. Number 6, cube root of negative 2a to the 4th power, which means we can take out negative 2a, and we would have a 2a remaining. I did not keep it negative since we have that odd index, meaning the negative will come up to the front. Now the next ones, we are writing them in exponential form, so we are working the opposite way. So on number 7, we are taking 10 to the power of 3 over 4. Number 8, we're taking 3ab to the power of 1/2. Number 9, 2w to the power of 5/3. And number 10, 18x to the 9th y squared to the power of 1/4. So we did do some examples yesterday that were very similar to the problems that you'll be doing today, where we've got the power to a power, we've got division, or we've got multiplication. So the remaining problems are for you to do. It is 12 problems total, I believe. And so you will get these completed and turned in on Canvas. And then tomorrow we will not meet tomorrow because tomorrow is the SAT here on campus.